In this tutorial, we will cover how to use the execute in loop node. We use the execute in loop node to have the nodes that follow execute repeatedly on data corresponding to different unique values in a selected column. The execute in loop node creates a list of all the unique values in the selected column and filters the data for all values except for one at a time. This allows us to create a model or do further analysis on each unique value without editing the workflow or using multiple row filters. For the purposes of this tutorial, distinct values that will be used to loop the workflow have also been displayed using the distinct values in column node. Here, in the execute and loop configuration pane, the only thing that the user needs to do is select the column for which to loop the workflow. We have also added a print node here to print the data set that has been filtered and to graph the sales values corresponding to that unique value. Now this workflow is ready to execute. Here in the execution page, we can see that the workflow has identified 7 unique values in the product line column. These are the unique values which will be used to loop the workflow. After the loop executes, the workflow will execute the print node and the graph node for each unique value. So 7 times in total. Here it has selected the motorcycles product line. And this is a graph of the sales of the motorcycle product line. This will be done for each unique value. Here we have vintage cars, then we have ships, and so on. Thank you for listening.